Welcome to today's video. In this insightful presentation, we'll be delving into the life and legacy of Ariel Sharon, a prominent military and political figure in Israeli history. We'll explore his military career, his transition to politics, and the impact of his controversial decisions on Israel and the region. So buckle up and join us on this fascinating journey through the life of the Bulldozer. A figure of enduring prominence, Ariel Sharon. Born Ariel Scheinermann on February 26, 1928 in Kfar Malal, left an indelible mark on Israel's military and political landscape. Hailing from a time when the region was under the British Mandate of Palestine, Sharon's meteoric rise saw him occupy the role of Israel's 11th Prime Minister from 2001 to 2006. Few will forget his tenacity or his aptly-given moniker, the Bulldozer, conferred for his steely resolve in pursuing difficult, often contentious decisions. At 14, Sharon's military foray commenced as he enlisted with the Haganah, a Jewish paramilitary organization. Later, he served with distinction in the Israel Defense Forces (IDF) during the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, gaining renown as a dauntless and adept commander. Over the years, Sharon partook in momentous battles: the 1956 Suez Crisis, the 1967 Six-Day War, and the 1973 Yom Kippur War. Sharon's leadership during the Six-Day War, particularly his audacious crossing of the Suez Canal, contributed significantly to Israel's resounding triumph. As a major general in the Yom Kippur War, he commanded forces that enveloped the Egyptian Third Army, thereby cementing Israel's ultimate victory. And yet, controversy shadowed Sharon's military career. The 1982 Lebanon War saw the Sabra and Shatila massacre, the slaying of Palestinian refugees by Christian Phalangist militias. A commission of inquiry deemed Sharon indirectly accountable, prompting his resignation as defense minister in 1983. Unfazed, Sharon pivoted to politics, occupying various ministerial posts. As Minister of Housing and Construction, he shepherded Israeli settlement construction in the West Bank and Gaza Strip. Concurrently, his tenure as Minister of Agriculture witnessed the expansion of agricultural settlements in occupied territories. Praise and censure followed. Some hailed his actions as vital for Israel's security, while others deemed them breaches of international law. Sharon's political ascent continued. In 1999, he assumed leadership of the right-wing Likud Party. Amid escalating Israeli-Palestinian conflict, he was elected Prime Minister in 2001. Pursuing a hardline stance against Palestinian militants, he orchestrated extensive military operations in the West Bank and Gaza Strip. Yet, 2005 saw a surprising policy reversal. Sharon endorsed unilateral disengagement from the Gaza Strip. Israeli settlements were dismantled, troops withdrawn, a highly polarizing move that fractured the Likud Party. Undeterred, Sharon founded Kadima, a centrist party that clinched victory in the 2006 parliamentary elections. Tragedy struck in January 2006 when Sharon was felled by a massive stroke, plunging him into a coma. His deputy, Ehud Olmert, assumed the role of acting prime minister before being elected to the position. Sharon remained comatose until his passing on January 11, 2014, aged 85. Ariel Sharon's legacy is a complex tapestry woven from military prowess and political determination. His influence on Israeli history, its statehood, and regional relations is irrefutable. Sharon's unwavering commitment to Israel and the Jewish people was evident, even if the methods he employed courted controversy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Ariel Sharon's life and legacy. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more compelling content. Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.